Hello and welcome back to the Ari Guys YouTube channel. The Ari passes on its warmest regards as we dive into another episode from the Ari Chess Coach series. The Italian opening is a classic and versatile opening that has been used by chess players for centuries. It begins with the moves 1.e4 e5, 2.nf3 nc6 3.bc4, and it aims to control the center of the board while developing pieces quickly. In this video, we'll cover the key moves, strategies, and variations of the Italian opening, so you can add it to your repertoire of opening moves. So, let's get started. Part 1. What is the Italian opening? The Italian opening is a chess opening that begins with the moves 1.e4 e5, 2.nf3 nc6 3.bc4. The move 3.bc4 is known as the Italian bishop's opening, and it aims to control the center of the board and to develop the bishop to a strong square. The Italian opening is a semi-open opening, meaning that the pawn structure is usually more open than closed, and it allows for aggressive and tactical play. Part 2. Key moves and variations. The key moves of the Italian opening include 3, bc5, 3, nf6, and 3, d6. These moves are designed to control the center of the board and to develop pieces quickly. Some variations of the Italian opening include the Gaucho piano, the Evans gambit, and the two knights defense. Each of these variations has its own unique characteristics and strategic goals, so it's important to understand them if you want to play the Italian opening effectively. Part 3. Strategies and tactics. One of the main strategies of the Italian opening is to control the center of the board and to develop your pieces quickly and aggressively. You want to aim to get your pieces to their most effective squares, such as the knights on c3 and f3, and the bishop on c4. The Italian opening also often involves a pawn break in the center with d4 or d5, which can open up lines of attack and create weaknesses in your opponent's position. As for tactics, one common tactic in the Italian opening is to use the pin of the black knight on f6 to put pressure on the black king and to limit its mobility. Part 4. Famous games. There have been many famous games played using the Italian opening. One of the most famous is the opera game, played between Gioacchino Greco and an unknown opponent in the 17th century. In this game, Greco sacrificed his queen and both rooks to deliver a checkmate with his remaining pieces. Another famous game is the Evergreen game, played between Adolphe Anderssen and Jean Dufresne in 1852. In this game, Anderssen used the Italian opening to create a powerful attack against Dufresne's king and to deliver a stunning victory. So, that's everything you need to know about the Italian opening in chess. It's a classic and versatile opening that can be used to control the center of the board and to develop your pieces quickly and aggressively. With a good understanding of the key moves, variations, strategies, and tactics of the Italian opening, you'll be well on your way to mastering this timeless chess opening. And that wraps up another video from the Ari Guys and our new series, where you get taught for free by an Ari chess coach. What a time to be alive! See you on the next one.